Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple digestive tea recipe. If you're having digestion issues, gas issues, bloating issues or even excessive burping or belching, then this tea will help you reduce that. I like to make a big batch of this tea on the weekend and store it in the fridge for the entire week. And whenever I'm having gas problem or a bloating problem, I just take a cup of this tea, heat it in the microwave and then I'm good to go. I highly recommend doing it because it saves you a lot of time. And also you can drink this tea before the meal or after the meal, but I like drinking it after the meal. And you can add little bit of lemon juice and honey to improve the taste of the tea. So with that being said, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up and also comment below if you like this recipe. So let's begin the video.
So the ingredients you'll need for this tea are around 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds, 1.5 tablespoons of carom seeds, also known as ajwain, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, a big piece of ginger which I am going to peel and grate it, 1 tablespoon of black pepper along with 2 small star anise pieces. These are Chinese red dates. This is how they look if you cut in half. These give a nice sweet flavor to the tea. These are optional. If you don't have them, you can skip it. And these are 2 handful of tulsi leaves, also known as holy basil. These are actually my frozen leaves because I don't have any fresh leaves at the moment. This is how I store them in a box in the freezer and they are fresh. So here I have taken a big pot of water and I am going to add all the ingredients to the water. And I am directly going to grate the ginger into the pot. As you can see, I have directly grated the ginger. Mix well. Turn on the stove and put it on medium heat. Cover it with a lid and cook for 40 minutes to 1 hour. The longer you cook, the deeper the flavor will be. So just simmer it on the medium heat. So if the water is boiling over, just reduce the heat. So it's been 40 minutes now. Let's check on the tea. So my tea got a nice golden color. So at this point you can smell the tea and see if it's strong enough for you. If it is not strong enough for you, you can boil for some more time. Just make sure that you don't boil it for too long because it may get bitter. So now I'm going to turn off the heat. Let the tea get little bit warm and then strain it. So the tea is still hot, but I just want to show you how to strain the tea. So I have here a glass and a strainer. I just bring in the tea with the ladle and just pour it like that. So I have stored the tea in glass bottles and these are ready to go in the fridge.
That's it guys, our easy and simple digestive tea is ready. All you have to do is throw all the ingredients in the pot, just simmer it and strain it and you're good to go. So you can add some lemon juice to the tea and also some raw honey to sweeten it. Just don't add too much because you don't want to increase the calories. Just a teaspoon of it to sweeten the tea. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a big thumbs up. And also do tag me on Instagram if you make this recipe, and follow me on Facebook and Instagram to see my daily updates. I post what I eat in a day, pictures, my selfies and all those good stuff. So do check it out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again with a new video. Bye.